Hey guys, just here to show you the installation of the LASFIT front turn signal bulbs. They're LEDs and they're actually CAN bus ready, so they don't cause the hyper flashing issue, and you won't get any error signals inside the car. If you do, then as soon as they cool back down, you're fine again. There's no hyper flashing or anything. So I originally had the LASFIT bulbs for my turn signals, but I'm replacing them with these because, again, they're CAN bus ready. All right, so this is for a 2015 Jeep Wrangler JKU. Installation's pretty much the same for 2007 to 2018 JKs. There's 6 plastic clips that I already removed at the top. You pull back your grill. At the bottom, there's 6 metal clips. You just pull back a little and they come right out. Then you just, for the signal, you twist it counterclockwise, you pull it out. Like I said, this is the previous LASFIT bulb that I had. I love it. The only reason why I'm replacing it is, like I said, the hyper flashing issue. Here's the bulb. It's really just plug and play. Clicks right in. There you go. Insert it, turn it clockwise, and it's right in. Now I'm not going to show you the installation of the other side because it's pretty much the same thing. I would rather show you the difference between the stock turn signal bulb on this side and the new LASFIT turn signal bulb on this side. I mean, it's really clear as day. Here you have the incredibly dim stock bulb. Here you have the new LASFIT bulb. Again, no hyper flashing, no signals going off. That's that. Thanks, guys.